Hey everyone! If you want to stay private on Facebook and Messenger, this video is going to help you turn off that green active dot on your iPhone. Wow, a lot of people don't even know this, but Messenger and Facebook have two different settings, so even if you turn off one, the other one still shows you online. Anyways, let's break down how to turn it off completely. Alright, what you're going to want to do first is open the Messenger app on your iPhone. Now tap on the menu option in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the Settings option on the screen. Over here, you're going to see Active Status. Tap on it. Now simply turn off the toggle that says Show when you're active. Tap Turn Off to confirm. Oh, great! That instantly hides your active status. Check this note right here. When you turn this off, you won't be able to see when others are active either, so it works both ways. Now let's move ahead to the Facebook app, because you gotta turn it off separately here too. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Tap the menu at the bottom right, the three lines. Then tap the settings icon at the top right. Scroll down a bit until you see the audience and visibility section. Tap on active status. Now turn off the toggle that says show when you're active. Tap turn off to confirm. And you're done. Wow, super easy. Anyways, keep in mind these important notes. You have to turn it off in both Messenger and Facebook because they don't link up. Even with active status off, people may still make out you're online if you post, like, comment, or share something. And message delivery indicators like sent and delivered are still going to work normally. That's it. Your online status is now fully turned off on iPhone. If you have any other questions, go ahead and ask in the comments. See you in the next one.